In this video, we are going to see the manufacturing process subject. The topic is processing of thermoplastic plastics. Prepared and present by myself, my Rajkumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rogani College of Engineering and Technology. So, before we are going to see the injection molding, we should know the processing of thermoplastic. There are so many forms of raw materials for processing of plastic into final product. The commonly used form are pellets, sheet, powder, rod, tubing, etc. Generally, liquid plastics are used in the fabrication of reinforcement plastic parts. The thermoplastics can be processing to their finer size and shape with the help of following process. The different processes are injection molding, blow molding, the thermoforming, extrusion, rotational molding. So we should first of all we are going to see the injection molding. The injection molding, the working principle of injection molding is the injection molding is used to achieve high speed molding of thermoplastic. The working principle of this process is that the molten thermoplastic is injected into a mold under high pressure. For achieving high pressure, the plunger system is used. The operation, this is the diagram for the plunger type of injection molding. In this, the molding material is loaded into a hopper from which is transferred to a heating section by a feeding device where the temperature is raised to from 150 degree to 370 degrees centigrade. The material melt and is forced by an injection ram or by plunger through a nozzle and spur in a closed mold which form the part. There are two types of injection molding and it is given below. We know that first this is the plunger type, another one is a screw type. First of all, we are going to the plunger type. It having the ram and plunger type injection molding has two units, injection unit and clamping unit. So it may be split in order to eject the finished compound. Initially the polymer is filled in a copper, then it goes into the heating section where the polymer is melt and the pressure is increased. The heated material is injected by the ram under pressure, so the heated material is forced to fill in the mold cavity through the nozzle to get the record shape of the plastic. Here the mold is water cooled type. Then we are going to see the screw type injection molding. The figure indicate the screw type injection molding. In these types also there are two units to split and eject the finished component such as injection unit and clamping unit. The injection unit has a hopper, screw and heating section. In clamping section it has mold in a screw type molding machine. The pellet are initially fed into the hopper. The resin are pushed along with the heating reciprocating screw. The screw is moved forward to force the plastic material into mold. The screw itself is moving backward and allowing the accumulation of enough material to fill the mold. The rotation of the screw provides the plasticizing acting by shearing the friction effect, the axial motion of the screw providing the filling action. The jet molding process is used to find the problem occurred in injection molding process. The reaction molding is the recent development in injection molding. In reaction molding, the low velocity monomers are used in the mold. The chemical reaction takes place between resin at low temperature and a polymer is created. In jet molding, the plastic is preheated about 93 degrees centigrade in the cylinder surrounding the nozzle. The reaction molding is suitable for the production of polyurethane molding. The injection capacity of injection molding machines ranges from 12,000 mm cube to 2.2 into 10 power of 6 mm cube. Then we are going to see the advantages of injection molding. Higher production capacity and less material losses are possible. The cost is low and if it need less finishing operation, it is used for making complex thread and thin wall part. Accuracy becomes plus or minus 0.05 mm to 5 mm. Wide range of shapes can be molded. Then applications of injection molding. It is used in making parts of complex threads. Intricate shapes such as thin walled parts can be produced. Typical parts such as cups, container, tool handles, toys handles, toy knob and plumbing fitting can be produced. Electrical and communications components such as telephone receiver can be produced. Limitation: the equipment of cylinder and dice should be non-corrosive. The reliable temperature controls are essential. Then next we are going to see the thermostatic plastic. Is a next type is the blow the thermoplastic material. Another type is blow molding. In the blow molding, it is molding process in which air pressure is used to inflate soft plastic into a mold cavity. It is used to make hollow, seamless part within thin wall like bottles, container, etc. from thermoplastic polymers. Blow molding is performed in two steps. The fabrication of a starting tube of molten plastic, which is called as paration, infiltration of the tube to the required final shape. The forming of paration is carried out either by extrusion or by injection molding. According to the forming of paration, the blow molding process can be classified as extrusion blow molding and injection blow molding. This is the extrusion blow molding, in which the blow molding consists of extrusion of the heating tubular plastic pieces called as paration, which is transferred to the two-piece mold. You can see this image. The paration is cribbed between two-piece mold and its bottom end is sealed. Then air is injected into the paration to force the plastic against the wall of the water cooled. The pressure in air is about 400 to 800 kilopascal. As the formed component cools, the mold is opened and the part is removed. This operation is similar to the used for the forming bottle in glass industries. Polythene and polypropylene and cellulose and acetylenes or some of the plastics can be formed by the blow molding. Then advantages of blow molding: initial cost of mold is low. Tool flexibility, that is mold can accommodate the interchangeable neck finished and body sections. Production flexibility, that is neck inner diameter can be easily controlled to varying requirement. Bottle weights are adjustable. Then applications of blow molding. Blow molding process is mainly used for making cosmetics package, food and water bottle, pipes, floats, toy, doll and bodies and many other articles. Then it is also used for making hollow container, automobile fuel tank, boat fender, heater, ducts and hollow industrial part like drum. Thank you.